Good morning, y'all. So, I just wanted to do a little vlog. My birthday is coming up in 5 days, and my plan was to do like a week of vlogs, but I missed yesterday. Yesterday was Monday, so today, I was just like, what, let me just vlog a little bit, see how I do at vlogging on my channel. I want to incorporate vlogs and stuff like that. So, yeah, that's what this is. I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna be doing today, but right now it's 9:58. I woke up around 8:30, took a shower, washed my face, all that good stuff. I'm kind of hungry, so I might be getting something to eat in a minute. I do have my hair to do. I have a wig for my birthday, my first ever wig, so I'm gonna be, trying that out, seeing how that is. But I do need to braid my hair underneath the wig, so that's what I'm gonna be trying to do today. But for right now, I am gonna go get me something to eat. So yeah, I'm hungry, but that's what I want to let you guys know. Welcome to this vlog. All right, y'all, so we're not gonna tell nobody, but it's about 2 o'clock, 2:30 maybe. I have eaten breakfast. I have even just finished eating lunch, but now I'm about to attempt to do these braids under my wig. I'm kind of setting up for that right now so that I can see what I can do. And yeah, I'm gonna kind of sit y'all off to the side so y'all can see how this goes. I really hope this works. If not, then I'm gonna just solicit the help of my mother, which will be totally fine. So that's what I'm about to do right now. So let's go ahead and get these tools that I need to do that. Y'all, so these braids are done. They are definitely not the neatest, but it's okay, they're done. They aren't gonna be seen. This is the back, if you can see, but they aren't gonna be seen. They're gonna be up under my wig, so I did the best I could considering my arms were getting extremely tired and I did not detangle my hair prior to braiding it. So it is what it is. I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek of how the wig looks. I'm gonna put it on and give y'all a little sneak peek of how it looks. So this is the wig. This is the wig, very cute, very burgundy. I'm gonna go ahead and just put it on so I can see how it's looking. I won't go into too much detail about the wig right now. I'm gonna do another video on me putting the wig on and all that good stuff, but for right now I'm gonna just put it on to see how it looks with these braids underneath. I do have a wig cap. I just don't feel like opening it and putting it on right now. So here we go. So this is the wig. She looking real cute. Really, really cute. She's really long. But that's all I'm gonna show y'all. So I'll be back. I'm gonna go ahead and just take it off. That's all y'all get. That's all y'all get. So to be honest, y'all, this is the end of the video, my little vlog for today. I didn't really have much planned today, as y'all saw. Tomorrow I am going to actually have something to do, like have a plan. So yeah, but yeah, this vlog was, you know, really short, simple, maybe kind of boring, but yeah, like I said, it's my first time ever doing a vlog for real. Well, that's not true. I posted one vlog on my channel, but I didn't really like it. I mean, it's still up there if y'all want to go look at it. But yeah, I'm really trying to incorporate vlogs on my channel. So this is my shot at doing that. And since my birthday is on Sunday, I was like, you know what? I could do like a week of vlogs, even though, you know, I kind of missed a day. But it's cool. However, that's all I have for you guys in this video. Stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. And yeah, countdown to my birthday. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will catch you on my next video. Bye.